quickly denail this, speed-wise. Let's see how fast we can do one 2x4.
Just laid the lines down in that piece, and now we're just at the walls.